Today's family day, so we are getting the side-by-side ready to go have a campfire in the bush, take a walk, get the trail cam, do a bunch of other stuff. First, I gotta clean the driveway out. So we got the tractor going, snow's blowed off. I left the Yukon on it to keep charging the batteries because I don't know how good the alternator is on that. But now, I start sharpening my chainsaw. I invested in this chainsaw sharpener. Works pretty good. So basically, there's this channel that the chain rides in. And there's this stop. You gotta adjust it all. This has an adjustment this way, this way. The table has a swing adjustment. But once you get it set up, all you do, put the chain in there, put the tooth you want to sharpen against there, lock this cam, so the chain can't move. Take this, works pretty good.
I'm checking the security camera, seeing if anybody is robbing in the middle of the day. So far, people are just driving by. There's a person. It's Michaela. She has no idea. Oh, man. Okay, where's she? She's coming in. That looks cool, Red.
You got this cleaned out?
Yes.
I need to go start cleaning the driveway.
Okay. We definitely have to be dressed warm out here. It's freezing. I think it's like, I don't know what temperature it is, but it's cold. We're just deciding what we should do for family day today. We were gonna go to the bush and roast hot dogs over a fire, but it is freezing out here. It's windy. So, and we were gonna drive our side-by-side back and there's no windshield. What do you think we should do?
It might be a little cold in the bush.
So,
the snow is blowing across the fields. There's a bunch of drifts along it. There's no leaves on the trees in the woods right now, so
we don't know.
Nothing to block the wind really.
Yeah.
So we may.
They're not gonna be happy.
We may have a campfire in the house, in the fireplace.
They're not gonna be happy about that.
Well.
Unless we give it a try and then come back if it's freezing.
I think we can drive back there, but I don't know if we're gonna want to stay.
Okay, well, let's give it a try. Go out and see if it's cold and if we want to stay out in the bush.
As she's getting jammies over her clothes.
Yeah, it is cold. It's gonna be a cold ride. Okay, everybody's on the side-by-side. Everybody ready to go?
Yep. Yeah, I'm staying with Mama.
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Do you think we're gonna stay or do you think we're gonna be too freezing?
Stay.
Freezing.
Freezing? Austin's happy. Hang on. Whoa! We were right over top.
Yeah?
I told you it was just thick ice.
Yeah. You did.
It's nicer than in the summer going over that.
Yeah. Dad,
Yeah.
do you remember we got stuck in that hole when there was like no snow?
What hole?
That hole?
ditch?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
And you have to get the tractor and get us?
Yes, I do. I remember that, Austin. Yes, it does. All right. So we made it back, but it is very cold. It's not that bad when there's no wind, but when the wind whips, that's just a wide open field there, and there's no small brush or anything like that to cover the wind coming through. So pretty cold. So right now we're just gonna try them playing for a little bit. If they get too cold, we'll just go back to the house and have a fire in the fire pit. But we're thinking, we came back and marked the maple trees. We're thinking maybe doing maple syrup or something like that. What do you think?
Yeah, I think we should do it. Why not?
Give it a try. We marked them, we don't have the supplies for it, but it's easy enough to get.
Maybe we can find them on Kijiji or something.
Yeah. So, long story short, it's cold back here. So we're gonna head to the house and have a fire in the fireplace in the house.
Okay, we are back in the house and we are about to roast some hot dogs. So these are the hot dogs we're using. They're really good. We like them because there's not a lot of like preservatives and stuff in them, and we tried our best to limit stuff like that these days. So anyway, if you're interested in good quality hot dogs, these are very good. So.